All right, everyone, we are going to start with step 1 of the CIT treatment. I start with a few drops of Neroli Nirvana, and this helps to loosen any makeup that's on the skin and help to get a deeper cleanse when we go into the cleansing step. Smells really good, so you could even hover it over your client and cue them to take a nice deep breath in and sigh it out. One more. Yeah, help your client relax even deeper. And once you've massaged the neroli into the skin, you can go ahead and wipe that. This helps to really remove any eye makeup, any dirt, debris that's stuck in the pore. And neroli also helps to balance oil production, natural oil production within the pore. So it's really great for anyone who wants to increase their moisture levels or clear the skin.